What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Steve Putnwork Steve back with another video, and guys, I got something special for you. We're doing a great review on a skincare product called Dr. Murad. Well, I would say Murad because it's the doctor right now for this face right here. We're gonna do a whole review. Use the box. I kind of smashed it before we started the video, so you gotta excuse me. But this is acne control 30-day treatment. It's a whole entire kit that I'm going to be using for 30 days, and it's called Murad. I've been seeing a lot online, and actually I started using it. My girlfriend, she actually kind of bought me the first kit, and I got this again. But I decided to share this with these guys that I know a lot of guys out there are having issues with breaking out, and you know, a lot of young guys are breaking out. So this right here is going to take you step by step, okay? So let's get to the video. Step one, it says right here, this is the acne control, all right? So this is like the cleanser. I'm gonna show you how to wash your face with it too. The clarified cleanser is the step one. It says right here that you have to massage a small amount of damp face in your neck. Rinse with warm water. Okay, I think that's damp enough. You're gonna take a small amount and rub it all around. Step two is like a acne scar treatment. So like, you know, the old black scars that you have on your face, or like the old spots. This is something great that you're gonna put on your face. I'll show you how to use that right now. Step three, right here, that you see it right here. This is a light, pure oil control SPF, and it's a 45. Every single guy should have this. I'm telling you, you want to be able to put everything that's on your face, and you know, in your beard too as well. This is all gonna work. And then last but not least, I think this is like kind of like a bonus, where it's like a spot treatment. Where it reduces blemishes size, and it works up to like 4 hours. So it takes about like 4 hours to kick in. Look at that one. That's a big juicy one right there. Woo! You're gonna need this too as well. That's step three, part of this kit. Let's put it on our face, so that way, you know, it can protect myself from the sun, my skin from the sun, protect my face from the sun. So just to let you know, only thing about this kit was, I did not like the fact that it didn't have no moisturizer cream in there, but luckily, I have some right here. My girl, she let me have, because she used the product too as well. But fellas, I'm letting y'all know this right now. If you don't have nothing in your household, always go to your girls and always take it from her, or if she's living with you, or if y'all living together, even if you're married, use her product. If you want the blemishes off your skin, if you want the spots off your skin, if you want all the bumps, whatever you want to call it, acne, if you want just nice smooth skin, and which I am working on it, I'm telling you this right now, I would say try it out. It's not too oily for me. It's not, you know, overly too much products. It's not very confusing. It's easy to put on. Only thing I did not like the fact that it didn't come with like a moisturizer cream, but you know, luckily I did have that. But the scale of 1 to 10 on this kit, I'm gonna give it like an 8. But I encourage you guys maybe to try it out. Leave a comment down below if you use the product, or if you are just using that product, and let me know what you think. But hey, look, I'm always gonna come back with style. What men should do, what men should do for their fashion, their grooming, their style, everything, man. Hopefully y'all are watching all my videos that I am posting. And I am Steven Patterson. I'm always gonna come back with more videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe too, man. Peace.
I'm gonna move to it.